Hello, today you're looking at a Philadelphia Tramrail Company model 3400 HD vertical baler brought to you by Lanco. Let's take a look at the outside of it here. We'll power it up in a second. Overall dimensions 79 inches long by 46 inches wide by 156 inches high. It is currently wired for 208 volts. The tank capacity is 23 gallons and the pump capacity is 12 gallons per minute. It is a three-phase unit as we take a look at the back here. As we walk around, we'll take a look at the controls and we'll power it up so you can see and hear it run. Here's with the door shut. There's a basic on-off, up-down, emergency stop. There's instructions right there as well. And let's see how it goes. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.